Mutino wa mbere urari gatagati ka nduthi na kirori kuria mutwarithia wa nduthi arageragia kuhituka ngari ingi no araguthana na kirori kiria kiromaga mwena wa Kirenget na gucungiriria ikuo cia andu eri hau ituura-ini ria Sengaton. Naguo mutino wa keri ukionekana barabara-ini ya Nakuru guthii Eldoret thutha wa ndereba wa kirori kia maguta kiria kiranyititwo migwate ni mikora kiraguthanire na kingi na gucungiriria gikuo kia ndereba umwe hau. Kuringana na Moni Falif uria ni murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya maguta maria kirori kiu kirakuite, mutino ucio uraumanire na mung'eng'ano wa ndereba na aria marakinyitite migwate.
One of the thugs he broke the window of the door and opened the door and entered inside and hit one of our drivers with the wheel spanner. He's seriously injured. So in that tendency of fighting, one of our drivers tend to try to make a wheel turn, and he collided head-on collision with another truck of Rongai. Apparently the Rongai driver could not make it. He died on spot, but our driver is still recovering.
Halif nioretie borithi magacirithia ugitiri mwena ucio kuona ngari icio ni cicokete gutharikirwo ni mikora.
But we are kindly requesting from the government to kindly keep tight security in this area because of the hill and because of our economy. Currently people are trying to hijack all these fuel tankers.
Miria aria marakuire iratwarirwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri thibitari-ini ya Molo, nao aria maragurarire maramukira urigiti thibitari-ini ya Molo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.